How to install headlights on an 03 to 06 Chevrolet Silverado. Pop the hood. Pull the pin out from the top of the headlight assembly. Place the pin where you won't lose it. Pull the assembly out. It's still connected, so do so carefully. On the rear, twist and pull to remove the bulbs. Place the old headlight aside. Take your new Brock headlight and install the bulbs. Seat the headlight back in, lining up the pinholes on top. Insert the pin at the top of the assembly and reseat the handle back in its rest. Brock also offers the headlight mounting pin separately if you need one. And that's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. Brock Supply, your advantage in automotive.